For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A contactless Tirtha dispenser has been manufactured for temples. The holy water dispenser will ensure there is no contact from devotees. This will help devotees in temples while ensuring social distancing. The dispenser has been made by Mangaluru-based Assistant Professor Santosh. A devotee just needs to place their palm under the dispenser and it automatically releases a certain amount of holy water. The dispenser costs 2,700 rupees.
So now we have seen, we have made automatic Tirtha dispenser machine. So as you know that there is a COVID pandemic everywhere. Recently government opened a temple, but they kept a point that the archakas should not give holy water to devotees. But in our Indian culture, this holy water is very important for devotees for some particular programs and all. So keeping that in mind, we developed the automatic Tirtha dispenser machine.
This innovative device was inaugurated at Mahaganapati Temple. The temple is situated at the Nitte campus in Mangaluru. A video showing the functioning of the dispenser has gone viral. There are several advantages of this Tirtha machine. It's easy to install, easy to refill, and is low maintenance.
If you want Tirtha or a holy water, you just have to place your palm just below the sensor. The sensor will detect your palm and it will dispense holy water to your palm. Limited amount of holy water to your palm. And also one more advantage or one more attraction here is we have kept a holy water holy water vessel outside the stand, so that the archakas they can clean that holy water every day.
Due to the coronavirus pandemic, this dispenser would be helpful for devotees. While most people welcomed the move, some also criticized it.
When the idea came into our mind, we also thought that we might get a negative feedbacks, all those things. So before developing, we discussed with the many priests in different temples. So from their feedback, so they gave us a good feedback and good support. So from their feedback, we started developing this called automatic Tirtha dispenser machine. The entire body is made up of a metal body.
The center has allowed the reopening of religious institutions and all places of worship for public. Temples have opened their doors to devotees from June 8th. Religious places must ensure the entrance must have mandatory hand hygiene and thermal screening.